everyone, a very happy Children's Day to all. Every child is a different kind of flower and all together make this world a beautiful thought on this pleasant afternoon.
You know why this day is so special? Yes, today is your day. A day to celebrate the joy, innocence and boundless energy of childhood. We welcome our respected correspondent, respected principal, creative supervisors and hardworking teachers and our beautiful talented students to this beautiful celebration.
To officially begin the program, now I invite Rudra Roshan from 8C to deliver the welcome speech. Let's give a big round of applause.
Good afternoon everyone, I am Rudra Roshan from 8C. Today we are gathered here to celebrate the magic of childhood. It's a special day to recognize the joy, curiosity and energy that each and every one of you brings to our school. On this special occasion, I would like to welcome our respected correspondent, principal, supervisors, our teachers and our shining stars, children. I welcome you all for this special day. Children's Day is a time to have fun, be creative and make unforgettable memories with your friends and teachers. We are excited to celebrate with all performances planned just for you. I welcome you all to this special occasion. Once again, a happy Children's Day. Thank you.
Thank you Rudra for your wonderful note. Children's Day is celebrated to honor the great leader Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who loved children. Dearly to tell us more, we have Hasini from 8th D with an English speech. Let's welcome her warmly.
Very good afternoon to one and all gathered here. I am Hasini from 8D. Before getting to the speech, I have one question for you. When we are celebrating Children's Day? Yes, absolutely correct. Every year on November 14, we celebrate the special day to honor our Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, our first Prime Minister, who was very fond of children. He believed that children are the real strength and the future of our nation. Children's Day reminds us to celebrate the joy childhood, a time filled with dreams, curiosity and creativity. It is a day to recognize the importance of nurturing young minds or giving them opportunities to shine. Children's rights serves as a reminder to society to safeguard children's rights and invest in their growth and well-being. I conclude my speech with beautiful quote. The children of today will make the India of tomorrow. Happy Children's Day to all. Thank you.
Thank you Hasini for your wonderful words. Now it's time to hear about the beauty and importance of this special day in our sweet mother tongue Tamil. Let's welcome Sadhana and Satvika from 8th standard to share their thoughts through a Tamil speech on Children's Day. Give her a big hand.
செந்தமிழ் மொழியே தேன் தமிழ் சுவையே இங்கு கூடியிருக்கும் அவையோர்களை என் சிரம் தாழ்த்தி வண்ண வண்ண பூக்களை என்ன சொல்லலாங்களா பூக்களை தோரணங்களாக அலங்கரித்து முத்தான முத்தமிழ் முதற்கண் வணக்கத்தை செலுத்தி எங்கள் தலைப்புக்குள் இறங்கி பேச போகிறோம். தாருங்கள் உங்கள் செவிகளை. உங்க மாமா வேறு எங்க மாமா வேறு, ஆனால் நவீன இந்தியாவின் சிற்பி என்கின்ற அடைமொழிக்கு சொந்தக்காரரான நம்ம மாமா நேருவின் பிறந்த நாளைத்தான் குழந்தைகள் தினம் மற்ற எல்லா வசதிகளையும் பயன்படுத்தி கல்வி, தொழில்நுட்பம், அறிவியல் துறை மற்றும் இந்தியாவின் முதுகெலும்பான விவசாய துறையிலும் இந்தியாவை வல்லரசு நாடாக மாற்றுவோம் என்று உறுதியெடுப்போம். இதுவே இந்தியாவின் வளர்ச்சிக்கும்